Hi everyone, today with me I have this ear cleaning set I found on Amazon. It is absolutely great. As you can see, there's a hook here at the front so you can keep everything inside and keep everything from falling out. And there's also a little hook back here so you can attach these whether to your keys or to anywhere you would like. Now let's take a look at what you're going to get. There's a couple tools here and I've tried some of them. They are really great in getting all that earwax out. As you can see, you're going to get a total of 6 overall, and they're all pretty different, so you can test them out and see which ones you like the best. But I really like that it comes in the traveling case. That way you can keep them nice and clean. They're also made of metal, so cleaning them is super easy. You can go ahead and disinfect them with something like alcohol or some disinfectant spray before continuing to use it. But I really like this set, and it helps me keep my ears nice and clean without the use of Q-tips. This way is so much better for me, and I urge you guys to check this kit out as well on Amazon.